Anime Backstories, Sanemi Shinazugawa. So yung source ko for this video is chapter 115 and 168. Dito actually natin malalaman kung bakit sobrang hesitant siya sa pag-accept kay Nezuko and bakit sobra-sobra rin yung respect niya kay Ubuyashiki. So yung mom nila had a small frame, was very kind and hardworking. Meanwhile naman yung tatay nila was pathetic. He was very abusive to all of them kasama yung nanay niya. Tapos it was really no surprise kung bakit may pumatay dun sa tatay niya. With their father gone, Sanemi took the responsibility na sila na yung mag-aalaga sa family nila. Katulong niya dito si Genya. So may isang araw na hindi umuwi yung mom nila na maaga, so they both got very worried and si Sanemi, siya yung naghanap sa mom niya. Tapos meron kasing tao sa may pinto and yung mga kapatid nila na excite kasi akala yun yung mom nila. Genya even tried to warn them na baka hindi yun yung mom nila and instantly halos lahat ng kapatid niya got injured. It was dark tapos sobrang bilis ng pangyayari. Akala nga niya wolf or stray animal yung gumawa nito sa family niya. Tapos dito dumating si Sanemi saving him and sinabi niya na run for it. He actually tries to help Sanemi and dito niya makikita yung patay nilang mother. Sanemi killed his own mother and it's because she turned into a demon. And dahil nga hindi maintindihan ni Genya kung ano yung nangyayari tapos in shock pa siya, he actually called Sanemi a murderer. They tried to save their siblings pero they were too late. They were already dead. Ang bilis talaga nung pangyayari. It was actually at this moment na na-realize ni Sanemi na unique yung blood niya. Tapos after he killed his own mother, he stopped seeing colors. Everything looked worn out and faded. This was the moment na nag-iba na talaga si Sanemi. Even without the knowledge of the Demon Slayer Corps or Nichiren Blades, he actually hunted down demons for himself. It was during this time na dinedicate talaga niya yung buhay niya into hunting demons to the point na he neglected even his own brother. Tapos isang araw may nakilala siyang Demon Slayer, si Masachika. Ito yung tumulong sa kanya maging part ng Demon Slayer Corps. Tapos isang araw habang may kalaban silang Lower Moon, namatay yung kaibigan niya. Pero dahil sa tinalo nilang Lower Moon, he actually became the Wind Pillar. Nung una niyang nakilala si Ubuyashiki, sobrang rude niya sa kanya. Kasi nga sa perspective niya, taga-utos ka lang, wala ka naman talagang alam. And from the looks of it, hindi ka nga marunong gumamit ng sword, which was true. Tapos at this point, ang sinabi lang sa kanya is, I'm sorry. He really tried to become a swordsman pero ito lang yung kaya niyang gawin. Pero what solidified his respect is nung nalaman niya na alam ni Ubuyashiki lahat ng pangalan ng lahat ng Demon Slayers, which proved to him how much he actually cared.